Good morning class. I am Nikhilesh Mishra, your computer teacher. Class, today we continue our chapter. Students, in the previous video we discussed about the DBMS, advantages of DBMS. After that, the Microsoft Access 2016, parts of Access 2016 Windows, and create a blank database in MS Access 2016. So students, in this video we discuss about Access templates. Students, templates are predefined database object of Access, and students, it is the easiest way to create a table. They contain various types of built-in tables, queries, forms and report which perform tasks according to our requirement and speed up the creation and retrieval process of the table. So students, this is your templates, and after that how we create database using templates. So first of all, simply start MS Access and getting started with Microsoft Office Access, Windows open, and click on the local template in template categories. The available templates are displayed. For example, if we made the students list, so we have select the students templates, and after that students, on the right side of the window a file name box will appear. By default student will be the file name, but you can write your own file name, and then we can also change the location of file by clicking the folder icon given at the right hand side of file name box. Then at last we click on the create button. A table structured name student list will be show the relevant field name, and you simply click in the relevant field to enter data. So students, here you will also observe new below id field. New below id field, if you click on this detailed form will appear in which you can do data entry. Generally you do not use design template as it is has predefined format and design, so you create database with your own design format and tables etc, which provide flexibility as your requirement. So this is the Access templates. After that students, create a table. So Access 2016 provide various method to create table, and on those we discuss that creating table in datasheet view. So creating, so students, that is the after that creating table. Students, creating tables in datasheet view. For this, after creating the table structure, we can now enter the data in above table. The following are the given example of the creating datasheet view, yeah, creating in table view. So student, for this click the table button, sorry, double click the table button and create tab. Add the field of, click to add a new tab, new field, and students name the field. Once you have selected the data type, Access highlights the column header so that you can name the field. Here we see the example on your screen, this, and after that renaming field, save the table, name the field, and the table has been created. Now you can enter the data in your table. So this is the process by which we create a table in datasheet view. After that, student, creating table in design view. So creating table in design view. For this you can use design view, and to create a table, set up data type for each field, specify default value, specify how data should be entered and display the, and many more. So before creating a table in the design view, we should know the data type are used to determine the data of the data to field. For this, students, simply we click on the create table, click table design from the ribbon, ensuring that the ribbon on the create tab, add field on the table. Now we will enter the each field and select their data type, change the field properties, set the primary key and save the table. So students, only structure of table will be created. So you need to open the table in datasheet view and enter the record. So this is the another way to create a table. And to open the open a table, so student, for this there are many ways of adding the data, adding a data to access 2016 table. Add record directly into datasheet view. To open the table in datasheet view, double click on the table in the right window pane. So you can add and delete the record of table in datasheet view. So students, these are the things by which you create a database, and through the database we do many more works. So here the students, your chapter will be completed. After that there is your exercise. So you done A, B, sorry, only A part done in your book, and B and C I will send you PDF. So student, this is the chapter 4 which we completed, and after that our next chapter, that is the RDBMS सॉफ्टवेयर, MS एक्सेस का ही एक पार्ट है RDBMS सॉफ्टवेयर. सो हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेरी होता है, किसी भी तरीके का कोई क्वेश्चन होता है, तो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.